A very good morning to all the students of class 4. Dear student, today we will study the 7th chapter of social science named as the climate of India from the book Our Land, Our World. Dear student, let's begin with the chapter 7, the climate of India. Dear student, very first you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. Dear student, in this chapter we will study about the climate of India, as the chapter title itself is describing its learning objectives. So let's discuss the climate of India. The sun, wind, cloud and rain together make the weather. So this is very important question. Who makes weather? The answer is the sun, wind, cloud and rain together makes the weather. Dear student, nearly constant weather conditions of a place is called climate of that place. तो constant weather condition उस जगह की क्या कहलाता है? क्लाइमेट कहलाता है. किसी भी जगह का constant weather condition क्लाइमेट होता है. Our country India is very big. Its land surface changes from region to region. हमारी कंट्री इंडिया एक बहुत ही बड़ी कंट्री है जहां पर डिफरेंट जगह पर अलग अलग तरीके की भूमि है, अलग अलग तरीके की चीजें हैं जिससे वो रीजन टू रीजन क्लाइमेट चेंज होता है. The changes in land surface also lead to the changes in climate. In summer, northern plains are very hot while greater Himalayas are covered with snow. तो गर्मियों में जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन एरिया है वो क्या रहता है? बहुत ज्यादा गर्म रहता है, जबकि जो ग्रेटर हिमालयाज एरिया है वो क्या रहते हैं? बर्फ से ढके रहते हैं. It rains heavily in northeastern India, while there is a little rain in western desert. The factors that influence the climate of India are given below. So, dear student, जो factors इंडिया के climate को influence करते हैं वो factor आपको नीचे दिए हुए हैं. Let's discuss these one. This is the pictorial part of mountains are cooler and this is the pictorial part of desert which is quite hot. The first factor is the Himalayan ranges. So the Himalayan ranges checks the very cold wind coming from Siberia. It also checks the monsoon clouds and brings rain. The rain-bearing monsoon winds, which blow in the same direction for months, it rains more in eastern part of India and less in western part of India. The third one is the sea coast of India is 7,516.6 kilometer long. सी कोस्ट एरिया ऑफ इंडिया कितना है? कितना लंबा है? 7,516.6 kilometer. Coastal region have equally type of climate that is neither hot and nor cold. Height from the sea level. The land surface of India is full of mountains, hills and plateaus. In summer, it is pleasant weather in हाई प्लेसेस, जो ऊंची जगह है वहां पर क्या होता है? गर्मियों में मौसम बहुत ही ज्यादा प्लीजेंट होता है, मतलब न ज्यादा गर्मी होती है न ज्यादा ठंडी होती है. Heavy snowfall also take place in higher mountains in winter. So this is all about the factor that influence the climate of India. Let's discuss the season of India. So, Weather conditions remaining nearly constant for months is called season. This is very important question. What is season? So the weather conditions remaining nearly constant for month is called season. There are three main seasons in our country, which is summer, monsoon and winter. तो season किसे कहते हैं? Weather condition which remaining nearly constant for months is called season. So there are three types of season in our country. First one is summer, second one is monsoon and third one is winter. Let's discuss the first one, which is summer. Let's discuss it. So let's discuss the first one, that is summer. Yes, student, I'm so sorry for the disturbance. The summer in India begins in April. The summer in India begins in April. When did the summer season begins in India? The summer season in India begins in April. It gets really hot by May. It is hottest in the June. The days become longer. दिन बहुत लंबे हो जाते हैं. In May and June, hot wind called Lu. So this is very important question. What is Lu? So the hot wind which blows in May and June months is called Lu, which is blow at noon. Dust storms are common in summer. The summer in the desert region is really very unbearable. The southern part of India is hot, but not as hot as the northern plains. This is because it is surrounded by the sea on three sides. So the important part, the southern part of India is hot, but not as hot as the northern plains. जो साउदर्न पार्ट है वो भी गर्म रहता है, लेकिन इतना गर्म नहीं रहता जितना नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स का रहता है. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज जो साउदर्न पार्ट है वो तीनों साइड से समुद्र से घिरा हुआ है. Winds coming from the sea keeps the coastal pleasant. जो समुद्र से हवाएं आती हैं वो कोस्टल को प्लीजेंट नॉर्मल रखती है, ना ज्यादा गर्म ना ज्यादा ठंडा रखती है. It is cool in the middle and lower Himalayas. The peak of the Great Himalayas remain covered with ice. गर्मियों में भी जो ग्रेटर हिमालय का पोर्शन है वो आइस से कवर रहता है. So this is all about the summer season. Yes, student, let's discuss the rainy season. Let's discuss it. When the air in the northern plains gets hotter and move upward, winds begin to blow from the sea to take its place. These winds, called monsoon, carry back clouds fully of moisture. So, dear student, this is very important. What is monsoon? So, the answer is when the air in northern plains get hotter and move upwards, wind begin to blow from the sea to take its place. These winds are called monsoon, which carry black clouds full of moisture. They blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. The rain first start in south in early June. जून के स्टार्टिंग में सबसे पहले कहाँ आता है? साउथ में बारिश होना शुरू होती है. By the middle of July, heavy rain cover the whole of India. जुलाई के बीच में ये बारिश जो है पूरे इंडिया को कवर करती है. It rains very heavily along the west coast and the eastern and northeastern part of India. Mosheneram, which is Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. Dear student, this is very important question. In which part of India have heaviest rainfall in the world? So the answer is Cherrapunji in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. Many areas of Rajasthan and Kutch receive very little rain. तो राजस्थान जो है वो एक ड्राई प्लेस है, as you all know, जहाँ पे बहुत कम बारिश होती है. राजस्थान और कच्छ ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पर बहुत कम बारिश होती है. There is a good rainfall along the Ganga plains. The Deccan plateaus get a fair rainfall but less than the west coast. The eastern coast of the South India receive more rains in November and December. तो जो ईस्टर्न कोस्ट है ऑफ कहाँ का, साउथ का, वहाँ इंडिया के उस पार्ट में नवंबर और दिसंबर में बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है. So this is all about monsoon season. Let's discuss the winter. So by the end of September, the monsoon wind stops. By the end of October, the days become shorter. अक्टूबर तक क्या होता है, दिन छोटे होने लगते हैं. So the days become cool and nights cold. दिन थोड़े ठंडे हो जाते हैं और रातें ठंडी होने लगती हैं. The South India has a very mild winter. साउथ इंडिया में बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा ठंडा होने लगता है. The season is pleasant in coastal areas. और जो कोस्टल एरिया होते हैं वहां पर बहुत ही प्लीजेंट सा वेदर होता है, ना ज्यादा ठंडा और ना ज्यादा गर्म होता है. But high hills become very cold. लेकिन जो हाई हिली एरियाज हैं वो क्या होते हैं, बहुत ठंडे होते हैं. Even the northern plains become very cold. The western desert become too cold, especially at night. So, western deserts क्या होते हैं, रात में बहुत ज्यादा ठंडे होते हैं. The northern mountains receive heavy snowfall. January is the coldest month. Now the wind blow from the land to the sea. They pass over the Bay of Bengal and are filled with moisture. As a result, it rains on eastern coast of South India. So, the northern mountains receive heavy rainfall. नॉर्दर्न पार्ट में क्या होता है, बहुत ज्यादा स्नो, बर्फ गिरती है, बिकॉज वहां बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा होता है. जनवरी इज द कोल्डेस्ट मंथ ऑफ इंडिया. जनवरी में बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा होता है. नाउ द विंड्स ब्लो फ्रॉम द लैंड टू द सी. दे पास ओवर द बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड फिल्ड ऑफ मॉइस्चर. एज अ रिजल्ट इट रेन्स ऑन ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ South India. Some part in the northwest of India gets rain from cyclone. Northwest का कुछ ऐसा पार्ट होता है भारत में जिसमें बारिश कहाँ से होती है, साइक्लोन्स के थ्रू होती है. Spring comes in March. बसंत का मौसम कब आता है, मार्च में आता है. When the weather begins to get warmer. थोड़ा सा कोजी वेदर होता है, न ज्यादा ठंडा होता है और ना ज्यादा गर्म होता है. A short spring goes and the summer comes begin. ठंड थोड़ा थोड़ा जाने लगती है और थोड़ा थोड़ा गर्मी आने लगती है. एक प्लीजेंट सा वेदर होता है. The cycle of season continues year after year. इसी प्रकार जो वेदर का साइकिल है वो सालों साल चलता रहता है. Each season brings changes in the life of the people. Dear student, जो वेदर चेंज होते हैं वो लोगों की लाइफ में धीरे धीरे उसी तरीके से इफेक्ट करते हैं, चेंजेस लाते हैं. विंटर्स में आपको बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा लगता है, समर्स में आपको बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लगती है, स्प्रिंग में आपका वेदर बहुत ही प्लीजेंट रहता है. So these are 3 seasons of India, which is summer, winter and monsoon. So this is all about the chapter 7, the climate of India. Dear student, we will study our next lecture in our next class. Thank you.